Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Roomba i7. If you want to reset Roomba i7, then you will need to follow some steps. First, take the Roomba off the dock, then press and hold the clean button for full 20 seconds. Then let it reboot. Immediately repeat the procedure 2 more times, each time for a full 20 seconds. So you will have done this 3 times. Once the Roomba has reset, do the following. Press and hold the spot slash clean slash home buttons together for a full 20 seconds. Allow to reboot and then immediately repeat this process 2 more times for a full 3 times. This is a deep reset of the Roomba software and this will solve your problem. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.